Very good morning, class 5. Welcome back to another video of the same chapter time that we are doing from the last 1 week. This video is having the explanation part of addition and the subtraction of the time. So here I have very first question, but before I'll explain you this particular question, let me tell you each one of you, beta this video is only to explain you for the addition and the subtraction of time. You have to use or you have to view this video only to understand the topic. So let's have very first question. Here I have two durations given, two time durations given. The first one is 13 hours, 45 minutes, 25 seconds, and it has to be added with 10 hours, 35 minutes, 40 seconds. So how we have to add? It's very easy. The first thing is that we have to arrange the given time in 3 columns, as we are having 3 here. 3 units are given: hours, minutes and seconds. So first thing is that arrange them into 3 different columns. The very first time duration is 13 hours. So 13 will be written below the hours column. 45 minutes, so 45 is going to be written below the minutes column, and 25 seconds, so 25 will be here. So it is going to be added with the next time duration, that is 10 hours, 35 minutes under the minutes column and 40 seconds. So I have arranged the given time duration under the columns. So let's start adding. So this is going to be add. Here I will have 5 and 4 and 2 is going to give me 6. Here I have 5 and 5, 10. 1 will be carry forward. Here I will have 80. So I have 80 minutes. Here 23 hours. Now, but this is not the final answer. As you can see here, I have more than 60 seconds. So I can take 60 seconds from here. So taking out 60 seconds means I have to add 1 minute here, because we all know that 1 minute is 60 seconds. So I have taken out 60 seconds here and added 1 minute here at the same step. So let's solve it. So this will give me, after subtraction, 5 seconds, and this is 81 minutes, and this will be as it is, no change for 23 hours. So let's solve it further. Now I cannot do any change for 5 seconds. It is going to be the same, but I can take 60 minutes from this particular column. So deducting 60 minutes means I have to add 1 hour here. So this is to be done at the same step. This will be as it is, no change for the seconds. So after subtracting 60 from 81 minutes, I am going to get 21 minutes, and this is 24 hours. So this is the final answer: 24 hours, 21 minutes and 5 seconds. And you can further write 24 hours as 1 day, 21 minutes and 5 seconds. I hope it is clear to you. The only thing you need to take care of, that you have to arrange the given times in the 3 columns. Arranging them in the correct order is very important. And whenever you have seconds or minutes more than 60, you can deduct and add simultaneously at the same step. So this was related to the addition of time. Let's take one more question related to the subtraction of time. This is the example which I have taken from your own book. Subtract 8 days, 18 hours from this particular time. So let's first arrange them into 2 columns, days and hours. So what is to be written on the top? Whenever you have subtraction sum, always remember that from, what is to be subtracted from, that has to be written on the top. So what I'm going to write here, 12 days and 10 hours has to be written on the top, and what is to be subtracted, 8 has to be subtracted, so it is going to come below. 8 days, 18 hours. So I have arranged the given time in the columns. Now let's subtract. But look at these hours. I cannot subtract 18 hours from 10 hours. So I have to borrow from this friend. So I'm going to borrow from 12. 12 is going to become 11. So it has given me complete 1 day. Complete 1 day means it has given me complete 24 hours. So this friend is helping me a lot. It has given me 1 day means it has given me complete 24 hours. So in all I have here 24 plus 10 means I have 34 hours. Now I can subtract 18 from 34. So let's subtract. So when you have to subtract 8 from 4, you have to borrow from this. It will become 2 and it will become 14. Now it is going to give me 6 and it will be 1 here after subtraction. And here it is going to be 3. So this will be the final answer after subtraction. 3 days, 16 hours. The only thing, let me remind you once again, arranging them into the columns, and then when you are not able to subtract, you have to borrow from your friend. As it is about days and hours, so I have taken 1 complete day. 1 day means 24 hours. But when we have the question related to hours and minutes, in that particular question, you have to add 60 minutes or 60 seconds. I hope this video will help you a lot to do the sums related to addition and subtraction of time. Thank you, children. We'll meet you next week once again with the new video.